In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Monday.com for customer support ticket management. First things first, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, the next step is to create a support ticket board. To do this, click on the plus add button and select new board. Naming your board something intuitive, like customer support tickets, can be very helpful, especially if your team is large. You have the option to start from scratch or choose the customer support template under Templates, Service, and Support. It's wise to keep the board type as main to ensure that your entire team has access. Now that you have your board set up, it's time to set up the ticket columns. Consider using color coding for statuses or priorities to enhance visibility, which can make a significant difference in quickly assessing ticket urgency at a glance. Once your board and columns are ready, you can add customer tickets. There are two main ways to do this: manually or through automation. For manual entry, click on plus add item and input the customer's name, issue, and any other important details. For automated entries, you can add a form view to your board, which allows customers to fill out a form linked to your board. Simply share this form link with customers or embed it on your website. Each submission will automatically generate a new ticket on your board. Moving on, let's focus on assigning and prioritizing those tickets. Use the people column to assign tickets to specific support reps. You can also set priorities and due dates to manage urgency effectively. Filters and groups can help sort tickets into categories like high priority, pending, or resolved. For dealing with replies directly within Monday.com, head over to integrations on the top bar and add an integration. You can connect your Gmail or Outlook, creating an automation like, when a new email arrives, create an item in Monday.com. Alternatively, platforms such as Zapier or Make can sync Monday.com with Zendesk, Freshdesk, or Slack, which is excellent for internal notifications. To track and analyze your team's performance, use dashboards. Add a new dashboard and consider widgets like Status Overview to see open versus resolved tickets, a workload widget for agent activity, a numbers widget for average resolution times, and a chart widget for categorizing tickets by type or priority. This visual representation can help identify bottlenecks and improve customer satisfaction. Lastly, you might want to create automations for customer updates. A common automation is to send an email to a customer once a ticket's status changes to resolved. Personalize these notifications using the customer's name, ticket number, or a brief issue summary. To keep your board clutter-free, categorize tickets by status, customer, product line, or even by month or quarter. Organizing tickets this way makes navigation smoother and helps maintain focus on what matters most.